8.1 out of 10. We ran the Heybike Cityscape 2.0 through the CineTech Data-Driven AI Analytics system, and the numbers don't lie. Because if you are spending money on bus passes, ride shares, or parking every single week, this bike might be the smartest financial decision you make this year. Check the best price from the link in the description and hit subscribe. The best electric bike series keeps rolling. Now let us look at what this bike can actually handle. Daily city commuting. Scores a 9.1. The upright step through geometry, front suspension fork, rack, fenders, and integrated lighting make this feel like a complete commuter package right out of the box. Nothing extra to buy, no add-ons needed. Urban Hill starts land at 8.0. The 500-watt motor with a 1200-watt peak gives confident acceleration from traffic lights and handles moderate city inclines without drama. Light trail and mixed surface riding scores a 7.3. The front suspension and 26-inch puncture-resistant tires handle broken pavement and light gravel comfortably. Long-distance touring drops to 6.0. The 468-watt-hour battery is honest city capacity and will not stretch to long adventure rides. Moving on to daily performance. Top speed scores a 7.8. 24 miles per hour is right for city riding, keeping you safe in traffic without going faster than you need to. Real-world range lands at 8.0. Tested results consistently came in between 35 and 48 miles, which is reliable and predictable for a daily commuter battery. Motor smoothness scores a 7.5. The cadence sensor does its job well for city use, though it lacks the instant proportional response of a torque sensor. Charge time scores a 7.2. The standard charger takes around 5 to 6 hours for a full cycle, which works fine overnight, but is not fast charging. Now for user experience. Out-of-box completeness scores a 9.2. Rack, fenders, headlight, tail light, and display all included and ready to use from day one. This is rare at this level. Build quality scores an 8.0. Solid welds, stainless fasteners, and a 4.5 star Amazon rating from thousands of Real buyers backs that up. The honest. Weak spots. Brake feel scores a 6.4. Multiple reviewers flagged that the disc brakes feel slightly soft out of the box and benefit from a proper break-in and adjustment. Assembly difficulty scores a 6.0. Some steps are genuinely confusing without video guidance, and a few users reported misaligned components on arrival. Let us talk about who this bike is actually for. Daily urban commuters score a 9.3. Flat to moderate routes with somewhere to store the bike is the sweet spot. Older and returning riders land at 9.0. The step through frame, upright position, and stable geometry make this one of the most approachable e-bikes on Amazon. Fitness-focused commuters score a 7.8. 7 speeds and pedal-only mode keep the exercise option open. Off-road or trail riders score a 4.2. Narrow city tires and limited suspension travel make this a city bike only. So is it worth it? Value for money scores a 9.0. Feature set at this level scores an 8.6. Everything a commuter needs. Bundled in at a mid-budget level is genuinely impressive. Adjust the brakes. On day one, watch the assembly video before you start, and this bike will serve you well for years. CineTech score 8.1 out of 10. Smart buy for the city commuter. Check the best price from the link in the description.